Hello family and friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, and today I'm unboxing the latest Exquis Creation subscription box, and this box has the additional add-on. So yeah, let's just get into this. I will say that after this box, it will be on hold for me, my subscription that is. I know that I'll skip the next subscription and not sure if I'll cancel altogether, but let's get into this box. Why don't we? Okay. Let's just see what's in here. One thing I did, I just opened it to take out my receipt or, that personal information type stuff. Put this right here. Okay, so, let's see, is this? Yeah. Okay, so this is our What's Inside card. We have an Essentials Keeper, pen holder, daily notepad, writing tools, dashboards, planner insert, sticker set, journaling cards. Writing tools. Our writing tools are designed to provide smooth, reliable performance. So this month is just the Uniball gel pen 0.7. I'm gonna just tell you that, I do love a Uniball pen. Okay. Let's see. This is a to buy sticky note. So let's look and see. To buy. What do I need to buy? Oh, I tell you, I need to get some snacks for the training. So I'm gonna say, oh yeah, I like this. Snacks. And then I'm just gonna put training because I know which training is for this week. Yeah, okay. Look, I love me a good pen, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that this is the add-on. So the add-on, I think, is like an additional 20 something dollars. Look, I can't remember, so don't quote me on it, but it is, yeah, this is the add-on, and it is a um like a storage type of something. A storage organizer. Yeah. Um, it's cute, but maybe good for like. I guess I can zoom back out. Yeah. All right. Okay. And then let's go into this. You can always look. My husband loved these little canvas type bags to put some his little doodads in. I think I might use them that one. I'll see. So we got the pen holder. I don't always use these, but I don't know. I might use it for one of my journals. I'll see. Like you could probably put a couple pens. Let's see. Yeah. I'm just gonna see. You can do a pen and a highlighter, it looks like. Okay. All right. And then we've got some sticker set, functional sticker set. I do like the, I've enjoyed the sticker sets. Um, these are a little bit different though. So yeah, these are kind of like a color. So I like the heart. That'll be good for like February. definitely be good for February. But hey, we can use them anytime, right? Can always use sticky notes. All right, and then the next thing we have, this is a dashboard. Well, no, it's just a, I don't know. Organic, 100% organic, natural, 100% fresh every day. Love that thought process though. Okay, and then this is a dashboard. Rejuvenate. Oh, it's got a, okay, this is cute. Okay, let's put this here. And then our dashboards are monthly tracker. So let's see what the monthly tracker looks like. This is the inbox. So we got urgent, scheduled, delegated, project, and canceled there. And you can assign each description accordingly. So let's see what this monthly tracker looks like. So we have, here's your tracker. Then you got some notes and reflection. And it just continues like that. It's perfect for goals. I don't use trackers really, honestly. And I say I would try, but you know, maybe one day, maybe. And this is the daily notepad. So you can put down what your notes are. You got a place to date it. Memo. So this would be good, like for my work. I can use this for work. And then the last thing we have is the Essentials Keeper. Like that. Yeah. It's like another pen pouch, so I have enough pens that I can definitely put it to use. So, all right, friends. So that is it for this subscription. Again, I know that I will not be getting the next one. I do have an order that I have just a separate order coming from Exquis Creation, but yeah. So, and I'm not sure if I'll cancel altogether, but for now, it is definitely skipping the next one. I'm just going through subscriptions that are not meeting the needs that I'm wanting them to meet. And I don't want to say that the subscriptions are bad or anything like that. It's just they're not meeting my needs that I have for um, my stationery needs, planning and journaling needs. So, and these are some um, cards, y'all. Like journaling cards. This one is self-care checklist. And this is regenerate and grow. Love those. Be good to put in my journal. So, all right, friends. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing of the latest Exquise subscription box. I thank you as always for stopping by and spending time with me. whenever I do my unboxings. And until next time, take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye. That's